Hello, my lovely listeners. Welcome to Broken Radio. You have tuned into the frequency 108.1111, and this is your program from another point of view. First of all, as today is Holi, Broken Radio wishes you all a very happy and prosperous Holi festival. We believe that you have enjoyed it with your family and friends with lots of colors, sweets, and music. This is a 2 days celebration. As yesterday we celebrated Holika Dahan, also known as Choti Holi, is a vibrant festival celebrated in India, marking the triumph of good over evil. It usually takes place the night before Holi, the festival of colors. The central theme of Holika Dahan revolves around the legend of Holika and Prahlad. According to Hindu mythology, Prahlad was a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu, while his father, King Hiranyakashipu, wanted everyone to worship him instead. In a bid to kill Prahlad, Hiranyakashipu enlisted the help of his sister Holika, who was immune to fire. However, as the story goes, when they entered the flames together, Holika was consumed by the fire while Prahlad emerged unscathed. This symbolizes that devotion and righteousness prevail over evil. During Holika Dahan, people gather around a bonfire singing and dancing to celebrate this victory. They offer grains, coconuts, and other items to the fire as a form of gratitude and to seek blessings for the coming year. The flames represent the destruction of negativity and the renewal of life. In essence, Holika Dahan is not just about lighting a bonfire, it's about igniting hope and positivity in our lives. So, this year, as you celebrate, remember the deeper meaning behind this beautiful tradition. Embrace the spirit of Holi by spreading joy and kindness. And the next day of Holika Dahan is Holi Festival, which we celebrated today. The festivities continues with Holi itself, where people throw colored powders and water, dance and share sweets. Holika Dahan sets the stage for this joyous celebration, reminding us to let go of our past grievances and embrace love and unity. It's time for forgiveness and renewal, where social barriers dissolve and everyone comes together in celebration. During Holi, people throw the powders, water at each other. It's a time for forgiveness where social barriers dissolve and everyone comes together to celebrate. But Holi isn't just confined to India. It's celebrated in various forms across several countries, including Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and even parts of the United States, Canada, and the UK, where Indian communities have spread this joyous tradition. Holi, the vibrant festival of colors, is not just a celebration of spring, it's a cultural phenomenon that Bollywood has embraced wholeheartedly. Let's dive into how Bollywood contributes to the spirit of Holi through its iconic movies and music. First off, we can't talk about Holi without mentioning the unforgettable track that have become synonymous with the festival. Songs like Rang Barse from movie Silsila and Holi Khele Hum from movie Bhootnath capture the essence of joy and togetherness. These tracks not only get us dancing but also evoke memories of playful color fight and laughter. Bollywood movies often depict Holi as a backdrop for pivotal moments. Think about Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. The Holi scene is not just visually stunning, it symbolizes family, unity, and love. It's a reminder that amidst the chaos of life, moments of joy are what truly matters. Moreover, the portrayal of Holi in film emphasizes its cultural significance. It's about breaking barriers and celebrating diversity. Films like Sholay and Dar showcase how Holi can serve as a turning point in narratives, blending drama with festivity. And let's not forget the fashion, the vibrant colors, traditional attire, and playful spirit showcased in these films set trends that many follow during the festival. Bollywood influences not just our playlist but also our wardrobes during Holi. So, this year, as you celebrate with friends and family, remember how Bollywood has enriched this festival through its music and storytelling. Let's embrace the color, the joy, and the unity that Holi brings, inspired by our favorite films. Happy Holi, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.